Hello, my name is Paweł Sroka, and I would like to introduce you to the topic which will be explained in more details with the presentation of the distributed learning for vehicular dynamic spectrum access in autonomous driving. So first of all, the main idea, so the vehicular dynamic spectrum access, which is simply the traffic offloading from the congested ITS bands to alternative frequency bands known as the white spaces, acting as a secondary service for vehicular communications here. So question is, why VDSA? First of all, in order to, for example, perform the autonomous platooning application for vehicular communications, V2V communications, we have very high requirements, for example, on the reliability. And the ITS band at 5.9 GHz, which are devoted to V2V communications, are already congested with other services. So we need to offload at least partially the traffic to alternative frequency bands, such as, for example, the TV white spaces, where we can act as a secondary service. And in order to do that, we consider the use of the so-called radio environment maps, which are dedicated systems comprising, for example, also some databases and some edge intelligence that provide context information, helping with selection of the proper frequency bands. So in basics, the edge intelligence we consider might comprise different level of databases, like the wide range databases, regional databases, local databases, and so on, providing different types of information with different frequency, and also some edge intelligence located with the roadside infrastructure, as well as some spectrum managers that would perform the vehicular dynamic spectrum access to dynamically select the best band for intra-platoon communications, acting as a secondary service, so also protecting the primary, for example, TV transmission. That's why we need this RAM support, this database support, to provide certain details, certain parameters to optimize our transmission. So if you're interested in this, there's a number of publications from my side and also my colleagues, so you can get more information there. Thank you very much.